Dear students, so finally our long-term program has started. That is a repeaters program for IIT JEE, NEET and MSET students. So it has started from November 2nd with a very huge experienced faculty. So you can say the topmost faculty of Indian level who has produced tremendous results in the previous years. So classes have started from November 2nd onwards, and students can join both in online as well as offline classes also. And these are the courses which we are offering now. So IIT JEE and also MSET, NEET program, and these are the respective faculty. So Shakir sir, myself, physics 16 years of experience, and these are the results which I have produced. So 11 IITians, 17 NITians and 27 medical seats in the last 2 years. So Narsimha sir, biology, 35 years of experience. So he has been working in most reputed institutes of all India fame. So he has produced 32nd, 73, 160, 209 ranks in the this last 2020 NEET examination, and he is for biology. So, and he is the highest paid faculty of South India also. And Mohammed, he is my friend, chemistry faculty, IIT JEE advanced level. So he has been working in Narayana Junior College, Kurnool, and he produced 17 NITians in the last 2 years. Next, Deepak sir, the exponent of biology, mathematics. So he is working in Career Point Kota at present, and he came to us. Now he is working with us. So he has produced 17 NITians and 20 IITians in the last 3 years. So most experienced faculty. So we have formed a team now. So this coordination I have been searching since a very long time. Finally we have found this type of coordination who has produced exceptional results in the previous years. So our school program also has started. So school program will start from LKG standard. So LKG, UKG, nursery. So first class up to 10th class, and next year we are going for plus 1 and plus 2 recognition also. So by that time our long-term programs are going to run. So in accordance to this program, so we are going to complete the syllabus very slowly, very steadily, so inducing the total concept into the brains of the children. And everyday practice sessions will be there, and every day they have to write one examination at least for 2 hours. Clear? And they have to maintain their own error notes also. So error notes in the sense whatever mistakes which I have done in the examination, so that they will write in the form of a notes, error notes where they have done the mistake and what is the conceptual mistake they have done. So where they need clarity in that particular topic, they will maintain that notes. So even if they read the notes just before 4 or 5 days before the examination also, they can very easily crack the examination. This is the method which we are going to follow. So daily one examination will be present, question paper discussion also will be present, and students will be made to give demos on particular topics also. Okay, so fee courses are like this. So it is 55,000 for day scholar fees for IIT program, IIT JEE NEET mains and advanced program, and for a NEET program it will be 45,000 if examination is conducted in May. If examination extends up to June, then every month a 5,000 of hike will be taken from the children. Okay, thank you. Utilize this opportunity. So this is a seat guarantee program. Thank you.